Huawei Mate XT has officially arrived, and it's changing the game with its trifold design. This isn't just another foldable phone. Huawei has completely redefined what we expect from smartphones. I believe the Mate XT is about to revolutionize mobile technology, offering a blend of futuristic design and top-tier functionality. We'll explore all the reasons why the Mate XT stands out and how it's pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. So let's jump in and see what makes this device a game changer. Okay, so we've seen foldable phones before. Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, they've all released some impressive devices, but I believe the Huawei Mate XT takes things to a whole new level. This is the first phone that doesn't just fold once, it folds twice, giving you not two, but three different modes of use. This isn't just a gimmick either. Imagine having a 10.2-inch display that folds down to a manageable 6.4-inch screen that fits right in your pocket. You're essentially carrying a tablet, a phablet, and a smartphone all in one device. Now, let's talk about the design because Huawei absolutely nailed it here. First off, this device is super thin. I'm talking about 3.4 millimeters thin when fully unfolded. That's almost as thin as a stack of a few credit cards. When it's folded up, sure, it's thicker than a regular slab phone at around 12.3 millimeters, but considering the tech packed inside, I'd say that's a fair trade-off. At 298 grams, it's a bit heavier than a standard phone, but again, this is a triple folding device. You're getting a phone that unfolds into a tablet, so the weight is understandable. And honestly, it's a small price to pay for such a futuristic piece of tech. Now, the real magic of this phone is in the display. Huawei Mate XT has a 10.2-inch OLED panel, and when you fold it once, you're left with a 7.9-inch screen, which is still larger than most foldable phones on the market. Fold it again, and you've got a 6.4-inch screen, which feels like your regular smartphone. What I love about this is the versatility. You can switch from work mode, where you're using the big 10.2-inch screen for productivity, typing documents, editing videos, or even playing mobile games in a more immersive way, and then fold it down to take a call or shoot off a quick text. It's like having multiple devices in one, and I believe that's the future of mobile technology. Alright, let's talk about performance, because this thing isn't just about its cool form factor. The Huawei Mate XT is powered by the Kirin 910 chip, paired with 16 gigs of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and excellent performance across the board. Whether you're gaming, editing, or juggling multiple apps at once, the Mate XT can handle it all without breaking a sweat. One area where foldable devices have often been lacking is in the battery department, but Huawei managed to fit a 5600 mAh battery into this bad boy. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not sure how long this battery will last when you're using that massive 10.2-inch screen all day, but Huawei's been great with battery optimization and fast charging support. Now, when it comes to the camera, Huawei isn't playing around. The Mate XT features a 50MP main camera with a variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4. This means you can take amazing photos in both bright sunlight and low light conditions, because the physical shutter adjusts based on how much light you need. It's honestly one of the most sophisticated camera systems I've seen on a foldable device. You've also got a 12MP periscope zoom lens that can do up to 5.5 times optical zoom, which is crazy when you think about how compact this phone is. Imagine zooming in on something far away and still getting crystal clear details, with a natural bokeh to make your shots look more professional. Let's talk about the software for a second. Huawei software engineers have clearly put a lot of effort into optimizing this trifold display for apps. Whether you're scrolling through TikTok, watching YouTube, or using productivity apps, the display automatically adjusts to the size you're in, making for a seamless experience. Apps like Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, automatically adjust to whichever mode you're using, whether it's the 6.4-inch phone mode or the full 10.2-inch screen. The keyboard also adapts, splitting in half when you're in tablet mode, which makes typing so much easier. I believe Huawei will continue to refine this as more apps are optimized for this trifold form factor. But even at launch, it's pretty impressive. This phone is not cheap. In fact, it's priced at around $3,000, which makes it one of the most expensive foldables on the market. But considering the tech you're getting here, from the triple fold design to the high-end camera and performance, I believe it's worth the investment if you're someone who loves to be on the bleeding edge of technology. So, there you have it, the Huawei Mate XT, the world's first trifold smartphone. I believe this device is more than just a phone. It's a vision of where mobile technology is headed. With its flexibility, premium design, and cutting-edge performance, this is a phone that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.